So on Taking Stock with Kalila Reynolds, Marlene Street Forest from the Jamaica Stock Exchange announced that pretty soon Jamaicans are going to be able to access US and Canadian stock markets. This is major news, guys, because global diversification is an important way for you to build wealth faster. Start thinking about the amount of international exposure you want for your portfolio, what type of international exposure you want for your portfolio, and the time frame to get that exposure. The change is coming, the exposure is coming, so start thinking from now ways that you can take action to get that exposure. Don't let this one miss you. It is critical to gain international exposure in your portfolio if you are serious about building wealth faster, because diversification is what you need right now based on all of the turmoil in the global economy, all of the ups and downs in the stock market and interest rates going higher. International diversification is going to be a game changer for you.